Standing ankle deep in water after every shower? If your bathroom floor drain keeps clogging, you are not alone. But before you reach for the phone to call a plumber, there is something you should try first. Most people assume unclogging a drain requires harsh chemicals or expensive tools. But those chemical cleaners can actually damage your pipes over time. And not everyone has a plumbing snake just lying around. What if there was a simple, affordable trick that clears most clogs instantly? No special tools, no mess, no risk of harming your plumbing. Here is the secret. Boiling water, dish soap, baking soda, and white vinegar. First, boil a full kettle of water and pour it slowly down the drain. Next, add a tablespoon of dish soap and let it sit for 1 minute. Then, pour in half a cup of baking soda, followed by 1 cup of white vinegar. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then flush with more hot water. This combination dissolves hair, grease, and soap scum quickly. The fizzing reaction breaks down buildup, while boiling water helps flush everything away. Still slow drainage? Use a bent wire hanger to pull out hair first, then repeat the trick for even better results. For more quick home hacks, like, share, and subscribe for easy do-it-yourself fixes every week.